Thailand and US aim for a new, more proactive trading relationship as ambassador meets Prayuth. Today's meeting between the PM and American ambassador, say Thai sources, could lead to a more proactive trading relationship. General Prayuth revealed that he had received personal support and encouragement during this crisis from U.S. First Lady Melania Trump. In 2019, the U.S. emerged as Thailand's leading export market, while the kingdom is also a significant market for American exporters. A new trade relationship would be a great boost to Thailand's economic efforts as the country looks to revive the kingdom's battered commercial prospects after the virus is contained in the third quarter. As both Thailand and the United States wrestle with the coronavirus. A visit on Wednesday by the new American ambassador Michael December, the government house, may signal a more positive economic relationship between the two countries, which have been allies for nearly 2 centuries. Thai sources are talking about negotiations towards a new, more proactive trade relationship between the kingdom and its largest export market. As Thailand fights the coronavirus crisis in its midst, the government is also turning its eyes towards the kingdom's economic future after the crisis, which is expected to abate sometime in the second quarter of the year. Yesterday, the cabinet is reported to have agreed a 9 trillion stimulus package. Part of this was outlined earlier on Wednesday by the governor of the Bank of Thailand, Prayuth, who identified 400 billion to support the vital corporate bond market, which helps fund Thai firms, and 500 billion in soft loans for SMEs. New U.S. ambassador meets PM at Government House in a meeting which heralds stronger trade ties. This week, however, comes news that Thailand has commenced negotiations with the United States to develop a renewed trading relationship with one of its oldest allies. On Wednesday, the Thai Prime Minister Prayuth Chan-o-cha took time from directing the COVID-19 Administration Center to meet with the new American ambassador to Thailand, Michael December. U.S. is now Thailand's largest export market. In 2019, the United States was Thailand's largest export market, accounting for 12.8% of the country's exports, valued at over 1 trillion. Significantly, Thailand, which is the world's 20th largest economy, was the 26th biggest export market for American firms. U.S. ambassador was previously a well-practiced commercial lawyer in the Asia-Pacific region. Mr. December's background is one of extensive experience of commercial dealing in the Asia-Pacific region. He worked as a senior partner for a top law firm based in Hong Kong before his appointment last year as ambassador to Thailand by U.S. President Donald Trump and his confirmation by the U.S. Senate in January. U.S. envoy praised Thailand's virus response. Today's visit by Mr. December was an initial introduction during which the U.S. ambassador praised Thailand's response to the current crisis and promised the continued support of the U.S. government towards that end. The U.S. envoy was keen to stress his determination to further and strengthen the U.S.-Thai economic partnership after the virus emergency abates. Prime Minister thanked the U.S. for protective clothing for Thai medics and revealed a personal message of support from the U.S. First Lady Melania Trump. The Prime Minister thanked the ambassador for U.S. supplies of protective clothing for Thailand's medics during the crisis and sent his warmest regards to U.S. President Donald Trump and the U.S. First Lady, Melania Trump. General Prayuth revealed that Mrs. Trump had offered her personal support to him in recent times as Thailand declared a state of emergency and the government leader took the helm of the COVID-19 response center. Proactive U.S.-Thai trade relationship could be crucial to economic regeneration efforts. Both the ambassador and the PM said they looked forward to a new, more proactive engagement in trade and commerce between the two countries, which Thai sources say could be pivotal in the country's efforts to raise the economy in the aftermath of the economic devastation brought on by the virus. Further reading. U.S. election will impact investment and moves by U.S. firms from China to Thailand, says new American envoy. Thailand faces a third shock after the virus if high debt and the informal economy are not prioritized. MPs warned of an economic colony as opposition zeroed in on Thailand's impaired relationship with China. U.S.-China trade war may have some silver lining or upside for Thailand if firms can be agile and adjust. U.S. suspension of Thai preferential trade partner status, part of Trump's ongoing trade war.